General elections were held in Costa Rica on 6 February 2022 to elect the president, 2 vice presidents, and all 57 deputies of the Legislative Assembly. As none of the presidential nominees obtained at least 40% of the votes, a second round is scheduled to be held on 3 April 2022 for the 2 candidates who obtained the most votes, being between José María Figueres and Rodrigo Chaves Robles. The president of Costa Rica is elected using a modified 2-round system in which a candidate must receive at least 40% of the vote to win in the first round. If no candidate wins in the first round, a runoff will be held between the 2 candidates with the biggest quantity of votes. The 57 members of the Legislative Assembly are elected using closed-list proportional representation through the largest remainder method from 7 multi-member constituencies with between 4 and 19 seats, which are based on the 7 provinces. Party lists were required to alternate between male and female candidates, with parties also required to have 3 or 4 of their 7 regional lists headed by a female candidate. In the previous election, a second electoral round was held, owing to the fact that neither political party obtained 40% of the vote. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.